Welcome you all in Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. Today's good thought is old is gold. I repeat, old is gold. So students, we will start with our math subject. How are you all? Yes, how are you all? Good. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your new syllabus studies. Okay. So we will start. Students, in our last period of maths, we have started with our chapter number 1, that is numbers up to 20. Okay. We have learned some concepts also. Now we will move further. So open your saffron textbook. Take out your saffron textbook, everyone. Numbers up to 20. Okay. Numbers up to 20. Yesterday we have learned number and number names from 1 to 10 and the concept of more or less. So we have solved this also. Till here we have done. Okay. Now turn the page. My practice time. Open this page, page number 70. 70. My practice time 1. Now what they have asked students? Question, draw and color. Okay, draw and color. First one, 2 more. What we have to do, students? Already 2 buttons are there. Okay, what they have asked to draw 2 more again. More यानी ज़्यादा. So what we have to do? Draw here 2 more buttons. Okay, so let us draw. Take pencil in your hand. Draw neatly. One more circle we will draw. Okay, and like this we will put the inside. Okay, one more because they have asked to draw 2. So 1 we have done. Again one more. Okay, like this. Now they have asked to color also. So students, till now means you have to draw, afterwards you can color it. Okay, afterwards you do that. Now the next is 4 more. Okay, you can see your stars. So 4 more stars we have to draw. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 more. Inside you can draw like this eyes and mouth also afterwards, and you can color it. Okay, understood students? So like this you have to draw more. Now here C, for C question what they have asked? 1 more. So here you can see the flowers. So 1 more flower you have to draw here and color it. Okay, like this you have to do. So draw this 2 button and stars. Do it fast. Two more buttons and 4 more stars. Draw it neatly. Afterwards you can color it. And that's the question. You can do it afterwards by your own. Just only you have to draw 1 more flower, and that also you have to color. Done, students? Okay. Now what is the next one? What is the next? Draw and color. Okay, draw and color. Now here students, what they have asked? To draw less. What they have asked? To draw less. Earlier we have done more. Now we have to draw less. Okay, draw and color. First is 3 less. How many? 3 less. Now students, total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Okay, so we have to make 3 less. 3 less यानी 3 कम करना है, इनमें से 3 कम करना है. Okay, so 1, this 1, 2, 3, make it less. Now how many are remaining? 1 and 2. So this 2 you will draw here and color. Understood? What we have to do? Whatever number, that many we have to make it less, and remaining whatever it is there, you have to draw and color. Understood? So this is first one. Next B. Now they have asked to make 4 less. How many? 4 less. So count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2. So 2 we will draw and color. Okay, do that first. Draw 2 squares and 2 circles. Do it fast. Done? Okay, one more I will show. Now this C, 2 less. How many? 2 less. So make this 2 less. 1, 2. How many are remaining now? 2 are remaining. So draw here. So that also you can color. Draw 2 glasses. Done? Okay. Now in D you can see there triangles. Okay, you can see triangles. What we have to do? We have to make 5 less. What we have to do? We have to make 5 less. So come on, do this first. You will do, then I will write the answer. Let me see who will do fast. Count the triangles first. Make 5 less. How many are remaining? That many you have to draw. Got it? See, first you have to count the triangles. Then make 5 less. Whatever the remaining triangles are there, draw in the box and start coloring. Okay? See, 5 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till here. Okay? Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So we will draw here 3 triangles. Got it? And now you can color. So in this way we have to make it less. Understood how we can make more and less? Okay, now the next concept is see on the next page, counting forward and backward. What? Counting forward and backward. Forward means what, children? Forward यानी क्या? Forward means to go front, to go front, to go further. Okay, आगे जाना, आगे count करना. Okay, and backward means to go before, to go before, पीछे जाना. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? We have to count forward and backward. Okay, see the question. 1. Count forward and write the next 3 numbers. What we have to do? We have to count front, move further and write the numbers. How many numbers we have to write? Next 3 numbers, only 3 numbers. Okay, now here they have given in the toothpaste, they have given the number and forward counting you have to do and write it. Okay, now first is which number? Yes, it is 4. So what comes after 4? Come on, count it forward. Yes, 5. Then after 5, 6. Then 7. Okay, so in this way we have to count forward. Now the next is 7. What comes after 7? Forward, count forward. 7, 8. Then 9. Then 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, come on, write this too. Do it fast. Four, 5, 6, 7. Next 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? Fine. Now the next 2. What comes? After forward what comes? 2, then 3. Then 4, then 5. Okay, now this one you will solve first. Okay, first write this 2, 3, 4, 5 and the next one you have to solve first. Then I will write the answer. Do it fast. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next number is 5. So count forward. आगे काउंट करना है. कौन से नंबर आते हैं देखो और लिख दो वहां पे 3 numbers. Done everybody? Okay. So after 5, forward counting 6, 7, 8. Okay, wrote children? Have you wrote same? 6, 7, 8. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. So those who have written, very good. Those who have done the mistake, correct this. Okay. It's 6, 7, 8. Do it fast. Okay, next. Now the second question is count backwards and write the previous 3 numbers. Okay. What here you have to do? You have to come back now. Okay. We have to count before. पीछे वाले जो numbers है वो count करना है. Okay. You can see this picture also. How the truck is moving? It is moving backward. Okay. And here are the numbers. So you have to count backward. Fine. Now which is the first number? It's 9. So what comes before 9? See, count it. Before 9. 9 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? Yes, 8 आता है. कौन से आता है? 8. Okay. Now again, before 8 what comes? 7. Then again before 7, 6. Okay. This is called counting backward. Understood? Now the next number is 6. Come on, let us count backward. Before 6 comes 5. 5 before 4. 4 before 3. Okay, do it. Complete those. 9, 8, 7, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3. Done? Okay. Now the next is 7. Okay. Which number it is? 7. Come on. Tell me what comes before 7. If you will count backward, what comes here? Yes. Anybody? Good. It comes 6. Then again 5. Then 4. Okay. Now your 8 is there. Come on, count it backward. 7, 6, 5. Okay. Write these numbers. Do it fast. 6, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5. Understood, students? So, in this way we have done counting forward and backward. Okay, understood how you will go forward and backward? Fine. Now, the next is HOTS question. Okay, so students, what they have asked to do? Find the hidden number names from 1 to 10 and color them. You can go across or down. One has been done for you. So, students, you all know the number and number names from 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10 you know the number and number names. So, here you can see some number names. Okay, they are hidden. What it is? They are hidden. So, you have to find out the number names and you have to color it. Okay, you have to color it. So, you can go across or down. Can you see here how they have done here? 1, O-N-E, 1. Okay, you can go across and you can come down also. Anywhere. So, you have to find out the hidden number names. So, 1 they have done. Okay, and they have colored also. Now, after 1 comes 2. So, find 2 spelling. Come on, find it. Where it is? I can find T here, but here also, upside also it is A and O, down also it is Y, H, here H, G, Z, C, so no. Again where you can find T? Yes, here. Okay, so you can see here T, W, O, 2. Got it? So you can circle this first and afterwards you can color it. Okay, T, W, O, 2. Circle that spelling. Done. Next, after 2 comes 3. What comes? 3. Okay. Now, where you can find 3 spelling? First letter is T. Okay. Then here T is there. T-E-N. No, here you have got 10 directly. But first you have to find out for 3. This 10 afterwards you can circle. Okay. So this is not the spelling of 3. Again where T is there? Here. But here also it is not there. Again. See, one more T is there over here. Okay. This is correct. T-H-R-E-E. 3. So circle this first. Okay. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Afterwards you can color it. Do it first. Done, students? So in this way we have to find out the same for 4, 5, 6, 7 till 10. Okay, you will get here only, it is there. 10 also you have got. So next will be 4, so you have to find out and color. So this you can do it afterwards. Turn the page. Now students, we are going to learn one new concept. Okay, so pay attention everyone, it is very important. Tens and ones. What? Tens and ones. What is this tens and ones that I am going to show you now? See, what is this in my hand? Straw. Okay, how many? Only 1. Now students, straw, if I will add one more, it becomes how many? 2. One more, 3. One more, 4. Again 5. Again 1, 6. 7. 8. 9. Okay. Total how many are there now? 9. कितने हैं? 9 है. Okay. Now this 9 straws. Now what I will do, students? I will add one more. What I will do? I will add one more. Now it, how many it is? How many it became? Yes, it became 10. It became 10. 10 straws. Okay. Now I will tie this first. Okay. This is a group of 10 straws. Okay, a group of 10 straws, and this is a bunch of 110. Okay, how many straws are there? 10 straws are there, and how many bunch are there? Only 1. So 110. So why we will make this? In order to count the numbers easily, we will make a group of 10, that is 110. Okay, this is 110, means a group of 10 is called 110. Understood, students? Now see, watch it carefully. This is 10, 110. Now I will add this one more. Now how many it become? See, 110 and this is 1, 1. What happens? What becomes? 110, 1, 1 makes 11. What makes? 11. Understood, students? See, a bunch of 10 and one single straw, 110, 1, 1 becomes 11. Understood? 110 means how many it consists? ये जो 110 होता है उसमें कितने होते हैं? 10 होते हैं. Okay, and this is single, so we will count 1. Understood? 10 means a total of 10 and this is 1, only 1. So 110, 1, 1, 11. Understood? So like this we can build the numbers now. Okay, from 11 to 20. Understood? Building the numbers from 11 to 20. See, here also they have shown, students, they have took the sticks. These are 9 sticks. Okay, then one more stick is added to it. This makes a total of 10 sticks. Earlier it was 9. One more it has added. So now it has become 10. So now there are 10 sticks. Okay. In order to count the numbers easily, we group 10 ones into a group of 110. What we will do? We will make a group of 10 into 110. So it became 10 ones. It becomes 110. Can you see a bunch of 10? Can you see a bunch of 10 sticks? And it is called 110. Okay, understood? So like this we have to build the numbers. We can build the numbers easily from 11 to 20. See, how we can build? 110. Can you see a bunch of 10? Yes, what it is called then? 110, and here there is only one stick. So 1 make 11. Can you see a 11 in dots? Yes. And what they have asked here? To trace the number and write the number and its number name. Okay. So we will trace first. Take the pencil in your hand and just draw on that dots. Okay. And here you have to write the number 110, 1, 1, 11. Here is the number name. Okay. Spelling E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. So write here same. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Come on, write it fast. Do it fast, students. So, a group of 10 sticks becomes 110 and one single stick. So, 110, 1, 1, 11. Understood? Done? Next page. Next number, see. Now here 110. Okay, a group of 10, that is 110. And now here 2 straws are there. So 110 and 2 ones make 12. What makes 12? Understood? So 1, 2, 12. Come on. Trace first. 1, 10, 2 ones make 12. Write your number and write the spelling. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Do it fast. Okay. Same is there for 13. See, this is 110, group of 10 and 3 single sticks. So 110 and 3 ones make 13. So trace first. 1, 3, 13. Write here 13. Spelling T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Okay. Next also 110 and here 4 ones make 1, 4, 14. Okay. Write the number. Spelling. Come on, do it fast. Write the number and number name. One more. 110 and 5 ones make 1, 5, 15. Spelling F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Done? See, this 1, 5 means this 1 consists of 10 and this 5 is single. So together it makes 15. Okay, so like this you have to do. Further also numbers are there, 16, 17. Okay, can you see here? And on the next page also you can see here 18, 19, 20. So till here you have to do it by your own. Got it? Afterwards, by sitting at your home, you can do this. Fine? Understood, students? See, students, just form the numbers. Okay, we have built up the numbers from 11 to 20. So how the number looks? 11. See, 1, 1, 11. Okay, understood? Can you see here? It's 1, 1, 11. Then after 11 comes 12. So you can see here 1, 2, 12. Understood? Now what comes after 12? Yes, what comes after 12? It comes 13. So here you can see 1, 3, 13. Can you see? 1, 3, 13. After 13 what comes? Yes, 1, 4, 14. 1, 10, 4 ones, 14. After 14 comes 15. 1, 10, 5 ones, 15. Okay, then what it is? 1, 10, 6 ones, 16. 1, 10, 7 ones, 17. Okay. Then 1 tens, 8 ones, 18. 1 10, 9 ones, 19. Okay. And last is 2, 0, 20. Okay. You can see here 2, 0, 20. Understood, students? So, in this period, we have learned how to build up the numbers from 11 to 20 and tens and ones. Okay? Hope you all have understood. Further, we will see in the next period. Thank you.